Okay, so what is diamond certification? There is few general gemologist institutions that are more recognizable and some less. What I recommend normally is either GIA, that recognized worldwide, and the other one is the IGI. So you as a buyer, you want to protect yourself and to know that the diamond description will be recognized worldwide. So if you go to Europe or anywhere else in the world, the diamond, it is what you paid for and what you describe when you buy. So it's very important to go with the gemologist institution that have the laser engraving on the side of the stone and that everywhere in the world will be recognizable. So this is what is the diamond certification all about, just to protect you worldwide. Dr. Diamond.